Kini nga bagyo nga peti unyang nga kusuga, no? So naghapon tay gamay nga kahayag may gala nga makita. Pinagi ni nga to ang pagtan-aw ato mga kinayahan, no? I hope dili ni mga guba sa bintaw ni nga to mga kinayahan nga nindot kayo, no? Kini ato mga tourist destination bigadalino nga maagian unya, no? Maagian unya atol sa kining pagsudyod sa bagyo, no? Bagyo. I hope nga dili ni mga guba intaw ni nga to ang mga kuan ni ato
I try very hard to be in control of her and everything, but may as well not even be there at all.
I don't like how it feels when I saw it.
Just stay there, okay? Just hold on.
How deep is it? Are we gonna die? Is the house gonna fall on top of us? Mommy!
Hey, we just got home, and you would not believe.
We are out of time. I have another patient coming, so...
Wait, now? What about the 10-minute warning?
Yeah, I just wasn't paying attention.
You didn't respond to the email that I sent you about my dream.
I don't respond to my clients' dream emails.
I know you have a lot on your plate, but she's getting better, and the rest of it is totally temporary. You need to be a team. This whole...
I know. The problem with that logic, though, is that I'm not a housewife. I work, too.
Oh,
I can see you now.
You've missed the last few weeks of family session.
I told you what happened. Our entire ceiling fell down, and we're living out of the hotel.
Yes on these, but no on the wine.
But it isn't even 2.
It's 1:58. By the time I ring these up, it will be past 2.
Yo, Crazy Pants. I was gonna partake in surfing the web for some things that I'm into.
What kind of stuff? I'm supposed to know how to fix this. I'm supposed to know how to fix her.
What is it you think it's your job to fix?
I'm asking you what I'm supposed to do. Can you hear me?
I would like you to get a good night's sleep.
Whatever. This isn't supposed to be what it's like. This isn't it. This can't be it. Everything is under control.
Bike to work ba ka mo? Kung lowbat ang phone, pwedeng bike to charge. Kayang-kaya yan sa Power Bike na dinevelop ng Animo Labs Fab Lab and Sustainability Hub ng De La Salle Laguna Campus. O diba? Lumang konsepto na ini-level up.
Yung theory niya, basically, pagka nagpedal ang isang tao, nag-output siya ng energy or power. Typically, pag nagpe-pedal tayo, depende sa tao, but more or less, nakaka-generate tayo ng mga roughly between mga 100 watts. May naka-install kami na voltage at current meter para pwede namin ma-measure kung ilan yung power na na-generate niya.
O yan o, pag nagpipidal ka, at least yan, kahit medyo mabagal. O, at least 12 volts na, sir. O, ang minimum. Nakaka-generate naman tayo. Wala pa tayo masyadong effort. Pag gumugo hard ka, mas marami siyang electricity na na-generate o na-produce. Mas mabilis yung charging ng phone mo. Tapos, naiilawan mo pa tong LED at the same time. Nakapag-charge ka na, nakapag-exercise ka pa. Dahil alam nyo bang di raw bababa sa 12 watts ang kayang ma-produce na electrical energy ng power bike. Mga kapuso, para ma-convert yung mechanical energy na napoproduce nung pagbabike mo, napupunta siya dito sa dynamo, siya yung nagko-collect, tapos siya yung nagko-convert into electrical energy para mapunta dito sa mga LED natin at saka cellphone.
May extra challenge pang hatid ang proyekto para pwedeng itodo ang ehersisyo.
Magbabike ka, walang ilaw, nararamdaman mo kung gaano kahirap siya ipedal. Ngayon, habang nag-a-add ka ng mga ilaw, mararamdaman mo na pahirap ng pahirap yung pagpedal mo. So, ibig sabihin nun, nagbigay ka lang ng mas maraming energy para ma-convert siya into light.
There you have it mga kapuso, an important innovation as we pedal our way towards renewable energy. Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Martin Javier. Changing the game!